right now we're in MetaTrader app. So if you use Android or if you use iPhone, you will see something like this, something like right now you're watching on the screen. And the question is how I can add custom indicators in my MetaTrader platform. So first I want to tell you the true answer in the beginning of this video, and then I will show some ideas how we can overcome that, and etc, etc. But in the beginning I just want to say one simple answer. You cannot add custom indicators in your MetaTrader platform. So MetaTrader application platform. So in desktop version, you can add custom indicators, and in your mobile app, you cannot add custom indicators because, as you know, the mobile app is something that is protected. Nobody can go into code and add new indicators, new modules, etc. because if you're able to do that, you can hack some kind of your account, you can create a trouble, etc, etc. So the answer is simple. You cannot add custom indicators. But let me see like this. For now, I will just want to trade. I have a chart. I made some trade. For example, I enter another buy trade like this. Then I go to monitor my account. I have 2 trades. And what is the important thing? If you are a trader, real trader, and if you want to use MetaTrader app, you will use this app for one thing, to track your orders. So in 90% of the time, you will just monitor your orders. Sometimes you will create a new trades because you have a plan, you have triggers, you have everything, and now you're on the street, in the car, you're driving, you do something out your office, and you want to create a trade. You can do it. You can easily create trade in MetaTrader platform, just I did a few minutes ago. But there is a catch. You will not need custom indicators because MetaTrader app is not for that. You need a desktop, you need your mouse, you need a huge big screen, you need analysis, and all real traders do not use a MetaTrader app to create some complicated strategies and use some custom indicators and wait for some signals, etc, etc. MetaTrader app is for monitoring or for urgent trades creation, and this is it. And if you think a little bit, it's a logical decision. So my advice is always will be just use your MetaTrader app for ordinary trading, and this is it. Of course, if you want to have a custom indicators, there is solution, and solution is simple. You take a virtual private server. So if you're a good trader, and if you manage and test a lot of algorithms like I have a couple servers. I have a Windows VPS servers. So what I do very often, I create some strategy, and then I install on the Windows virtual private server some software, MetaTrader, and I run some testing expert advisor, some testing algorithms, and sometimes I need to wait 24 hours, 12 hours, 6 hours to finish to every single tick, every single bar, and for the last 20 years, and to generate a lot of trades, and then using machine learning methods, artificial intelligence, and various algorithms, I'm creating some system that I want to use. And if you want to use your MetaTrader app, you can find any remote application for use on your mobile phone. You install remote desktop app on your mobile phone, and you just reach your virtual private server, and you go and use your MetaTrader platform if you want to use a custom indicators, because in that MetaTrader platform you can use a custom indicator. But it's a complicated thing, and I do not know why you should have this. But please, you can write below this video, you can write a comments, your ideas, and if you really want something to do, we will find some solution. But if we think a little bit, if you're real trader, MetaTrader, or any kind of platform that you use You don't need a custom indicators to generate trades when you're outside of your office. So office is for analysis, office is for research, and when you outside, you can just use app to monitor, maybe to close a trade, maybe to open a new trade if you already have a plan, and this is. So sorry if I was boring in this video, but I just wanted to answer one very important question that a lot of traders ask, and I see on YouTube. They're looking for some solution, and the answer is simple: why you should need to have that. So just think a little bit. Why do you need an app custom complicator indicator? Of course, in my YouTube videos, I show that a lot of custom indicators can be generated from ordinary indicators. For example, there's a lot of indicators that use, for example, 4 or 5 moving averages and relative index in combination of some histograms. You can put 5 or 6 indicators in MetaTrader platform. You will get that custom indicator. But nevertheless, why should we do that? So think a little bit about that and put comments below this video. I wish you a great day and bye-bye.